In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML into your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to add it to a specific page, a blog post, or perhaps a section, or even apply it globally, I'll guide you through the process step by step. This technique could be particularly helpful if you're aiming to enhance your store with custom functionality or design elements, all while ensuring it's streamlined and effective. Let's begin with one of the simplest and most straightforward methods, using a custom HTML or custom liquid block within the theme editor. Many of the more modern Shopify themes provide this feature, allowing you to seamlessly insert your HTML content. So, let's dive into how you can do this yourself. Firstly, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, go to the Online Store section and then navigate over to Themes. You'll see a list of your available themes, so just click on Customize for the theme that is currently active and you're working with. Once you're in the theme editor, locate the specific page or section where you want to inject your HTML code. This setup is part of what makes Shopify so versatile. You can choose exactly where you want this custom code to run. Whether it's a landing page, product page, or another strategic place, go there and begin by adding a block or section. Within the editor, you'll have the option to choose your type of block. Look for options like Custom HTML, Custom Liquid, or anything similar. These blocks are designed specifically to house your embed codes or any other HTML you might need. Once the block is in place, it's time to paste your HTML or the embed code you've prepared. Maybe it's a cool Bandcamp embed you're excited to feature, or a sleek Shopify buy button that enhances your sales process. Simply paste the code into this space. Now, ensuring all that effort pays off, hit the Save button and preview your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check that the HTML has been implemented correctly and looks just the way you imagined. This way, you can make adjustments if needed before your customers see the final product. For example, if you're messing around with the Dawn theme, many users opt for the Custom Liquid field in theme settings to plug in their HTML code. This is a popular choice, and it's practical because it doesn't interfere with the existing theme settings or design. And there you have it, a clean, efficient way to embed HTML into your Shopify store. This method keeps your store looking professional and polished, all the while allowing you to add that extra layer of customization to make your store truly yours.